maidenless, bitchless, simp, gamer, weeaboo. All these words are commonly used to describe someone who, well, gets absolutely zero bitches. And ironically, by people who also get zero bitches. But what if I told you that at a certain place, at a certain time, there was a man that had no concern over this? Because this Sigma male spent his entire life not only never speaking to a woman, but also never seeing one either. Back in 1856, during the epically cringe Crimean War, Mikhail Tolotos was born in Athens, Greece. His mother died about 4 hours after his birth, so he never saw her. And his father never showed up. So because nobody came to adopt him, he was brought to a monastery, right here, in the autonomous region of Athos, a place which has been a hub for monks ever since the time the Byzantines were debating whether paintings are haram or not. What's really interesting about this place though is, because it's an autonomous region, it has its own laws and regulations. And one of them is that women are entirely, completely, thoroughly illegal. Why, you may ask? Well, because according to religion, if a woman hadn't listened to a snake tell her, "Why yes, you should definitely eat that fruit that God forbid you to eat," there will be no severe consequences. Trust me, bro. Hee. We would all be living in heaven and not literal shitholes. Actually, I lied. It's because, you know, monks aren't allowed to have sex. But let's get back to our boy Mikhail now. He himself grew up to be a monk. Most likely he interacted with other monks. He probably went through puberty confused, jacking off to trees. He prayed to God, read the Bible, and then in 1938, just a year before Austrian painter's bizarre adventure, Mikhail Tolotos passed away. You know, the life. And that's about all we know, which is a problem because the only confirmation we have about this story even being true at all is from this old-ass newspaper that doesn't really say anything substantial enough apart from, "Hey look, this guy spent his entire life without ever seeing a female." But then again, Athos is quite mysterious. Not much is known about this place, let alone its inhabitants. The only way to even get here is by boat, because there are no roads, airplanes, rails, women. And of course, if you are a possessor of ovaries, you are sentenced to walk the plank. Anyway, just the fact that there is a place out there full of grown adult men that has spent their entire lives having less interactions with a woman than your average Genshin player is actually quite fascinating, to say the least.